Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will be providing a more detailed analysis of Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, and now we're here to delve deeper into the subject. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 3, 2023, our system has identified Intel as a strong buy candidate with a score of 5.28. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 33.09% since we first recommended Intel as a buy candidate 37 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.89% since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The stock has recently broken through a strong upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of rise. If there is any pullback, there will be support at the previous trend level of $49.29, which could present a second opportunity for growth. According to fan theory, the next potential resistance level is $56.44, which may not be surpassed in the first attempt. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 40.48% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 16.63% to 36.42%. The 12-month trend suggests a 55.32% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 7.72% to 37.26%. This means that the stock price could range from $54.68 to $69.67 after a year. Our latest daily update for Intel brings exciting news. Intel stock upgraded to strong buy candidate. Yesterday, on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, the Intel stock price experienced a slight increase of 0.515%, going from $50.50 to $50.76. This marks its 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a brief pause in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $50.19 and a high of $51.28, representing a 2.16% difference. In the past 10 days, the stock has risen on 8 occasions, resulting in an overall gain of 15.26% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 7 million shares on the last day, with a total of 52 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.63 billion. It is important to note that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate a divergence and potentially signal forthcoming changes in the next few days. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, its highest recorded price was $51.28, while the lowest was $24.73. Currently, the price is 1%, equivalent to $0.515, below the 52-week high and 26.74%, equivalent to $18.53, below its all-time high on January 24, 2020, when it reached $69.29. Today, we're going to talk about the latest analyst ratings for Intel Corporation. On Monday, December 18, 2023, Needham upgraded their grade for Intel from neutral to upgrade. Moving on to Friday, December 15, 2023, Deutsche Bank also upgraded their grade for Intel from neutral to upgrade. Bank of America Securities followed suit on the same day, upgrading their grade for Intel from neutral to upgrade. Earlier, on Wednesday, December 6, 2023, KGI Securities upgraded their grade for Intel to outperform with an upgrade action. And back on Thursday, November 16, 2023, Telsey Advisory gave Intel a buy grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have given Intel stock a general buy rating. They highly recommend the PE ratio as a strong buy and price to book as also a strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a more neutral rating. Today, let's take a look at the signals for Intel stock. The chart shows mostly positive signals. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, which gives a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average above the long-term average. If the stock experiences a downward correction, there will be support from the lines at $47.78 and $43.59. However, a breakdown below these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, December 6, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen by 22.99%. This indicates a potential for further rise until a new top pivot is found. In addition, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also shows a buy signal. However, it's important to note that the volume fell during the last trading day, despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It's recommended to closely watch the stock. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. One signal to consider is the moving average convergence divergence, which indicates a buy signal. Another signal to look out for is the pivots, which showed a buy signal 15 days ago. Additionally, the Bollinger signal suggests a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 14 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average shows a buy signal 41 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages also suggests a buy signal 38 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart, the short moving average reveals a buy signal 14 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 43 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages further supports a buy signal 188 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Let's start with support levels. Currently, Intel's stock finds support just below today's level at $46.16 and $45.18. Support levels are important as they indicate a price level where buyers are likely to step in and prevent further decline. However, it's important to note that if the current support level at $46.16 is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level at $45.18 and potentially even further to $43.35. Moving on to risk, it's natural to be cautious when a stock is testing a support level. If the support level is broken, it could signify a shift in market sentiment and lead to further downside. In the case of Intel, the risk is considered to be medium due to its average movements during the day and good trading volume. Now, let's talk about the stock's volatility. Over the past day, Intel's stock had a price range of $1.09, or 2.16% between its high and low. This indicates that the stock has moderate volatility on a daily basis. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown an average volatility of 2.6%. Before we start analyzing the potential trading levels for Intel, let's first understand some essential fundamental data. One important metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either not making any profit or is experiencing losses. It's common for established companies to face downturns due to external factors. However, if a company consistently has a negative P/E ratio, it may indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on January 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.430. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Intel. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we find that there's no significant resistance above. This suggests that if the right conditions align, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you decide to enter a position, keep an eye on the volume to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $46.16. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point with the potential for a rebound. The average rating for Intel, as determined by multiple analysts, is buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On December 3, 2023, Zinsner David made an insider purchase of 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Shell Christoph made an insider purchase of 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Rivera Sandra L. made an insider purchase of 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Holthouse Michelle Johnston made an insider purchase of 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Gall Scott made an insider purchase of 1,596 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -8.052. Overall, insiders have purchased 343,034 shares and sold 407,920 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $49.35, which is a decrease of 2.78%. This particular stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 is currently at 86, which significantly increases the overall risk. It's worth noting that a buy signal was detected from a pivot bottom that occurred 14 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel has shown positive signals and recently broke a strong upward trend. With the stock in great technical shape, we believe it's a good choice at its current levels. We anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold/accumulate to a strong buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Thursday, December 28, we expect Intel to open lower by $0.0183 and start trading at $50.74. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading involves a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock and we'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your agreement or disagreement by commenting below. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. And finally, we wish you successful trading and a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.